breaking news. Powerful earthquake in Thailand has now turned deadly as officials declare a state of emergency.
The casualties come after the massive quake caused a high-rise in Bangkok to collapse.
What the fuck? Mate, what the fuck? Mate! Look, stand up, look. So I'm thinking.
But when ye shall hear of wars and commotions, be not terrified, for these things must first come to pass, but the end is not by and by. Then said he unto them, Nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and great earthquakes shall be in divers places, and famines, and pestilences, and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven. But before all these, they shall lay their hands on you, and persecute you.
What do you want?
I can breathe.